Hey there, beautiful people. Today I'm going to be talking about makeup tips I wish I knew sooner. So I'm going to be showing you how to go from a plain Jane to this soft glam look and with a quick smoky eye. So let's dive right in. So first and foremost, you always want to start off with a clean face. This is important because you want to start with a clean canvas before you put on your makeup. Next, exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. Of course, you want to next moisturize your face, and I'm using my Banish, and don't forget your SPF. And I can't stress enough how important this tip right here is, as it helps not to make your makeup look cakey. Make sure to use a good primer because this is going to help your makeup stay all day, especially if you have oily skin. And because I have oily eyelids, I like to use an eyeshadow primer. Now, can we talk about brows? I wish I knew how important they are. Well-groomed brows can elevate your whole look, so make sure you don't skip this step. Now, to get rid of those pesky dark circles, I like to mix in my concealer with my color corrector and then use the best tool God gave us, which is our fingers, for a more natural look, and then I'll go in with a sponge. Using setting spray is going to ensure that each face product is properly set. And I really like tip number 7 for days we're in a rush. Just using concealer and applying it to only areas that are needed is perfect and gives you a very natural look. Concealer is also known to be thicker, and so some girls even prefer to use this over foundation. And we all know setting spray is a multi-purpose product. Your girl needed some extra coverage under her eyes, so apply a little bit and then you can build up later if needed. So tip number 9 is going to help your makeup last all day. When it comes to contouring, always use a light hand and 2 shades darker than your foundation. You're going to want to apply this on the hollows of your cheek, along your hairline and jawline. And I will use tip 11 for days that it's very hot or I know I'm going to be sweating. Okay, now let's move on to the eyes. This is the quickest smoky eye I've ever done. Take a black kohl pencil liner. Once you've smudged it over your lash line, take a brush, a thin liner brush, and smudge that liner along your lash line. Then take a cream eyeshadow pencil if you have. If you don't, you can go ahead and use an eyeshadow. Use a brown eyeshadow and blend it with a fluffy brush. Now here's a pressed powder foundation that's about 2 shades darker than my natural complexion, and I just used this on my crease. And so I'm taking more of that black eyeliner and I'm tight lining, and then I'm going into my waterline on the bottom lashes. So I love to play with colors and I love to color contrast. So that's why we use the black eyeliner, and we're going to now use a brown eyeshadow, and we're kind of smudging that into the black eyeliner that we just put in. Okay, next you want to curl your lashes before putting mascara to make them look longer and have a natural curl. I remember using this tip when I first started makeup, and as I used to fill in my lips with the lip liner and then apply my lipstick so that it lasts longer. And there you have it, folks. These are the makeup tips I wish I knew sooner. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy makeup.